this is my front clip that I'll put under. This is the old one. So I took the whole front end of the car off. I put like a brace in here to help hold it straight. And then I got a speed square held up against that tight, and it lines up with my holes okay. So I assume I'm pretty straight. And I mean, I look at it and it looks okay, because this pin is the center. You can see center of the window, center of the pin, and just comes down. I have a laser set up. You can barely see it on my hand, but that's the center. I got it lined up on the center of the hub, and then so this is my center of axle, and this is the center of axle. And I verified that I'm straight by setting this up on center, and it's leveled, you know, fancy stuff. So I'm coming 17 inches back. I'm thinking I'm gonna cut it up here, and then I'll slip that set under and see where it looks the best, and then finalize the cuts here. So leave myself a couple inches. And then I measured from this point on the body, 23 1/4 out to center. So that's my get the front back where it belongs points. It's exactly the same on both sides. Am I missing anything? I'm so nervous to cut my car off. So exact same thing, exact same point, same measurement. Miracle. So it's pretty square apparently. And this body is so rigid that it takes, if a jack stand's not perfectly level with it, it just balances off of it. Because there's no motor, so there's no twisty weight. And I got the car mostly leveled. Make my corkscrew jacks to hold it. Don't want to climb under it much, but... So I'm thinking what I can do is I'll take the left hand cherry picker. Haven, don't go under my car. Good, don't go under my car. Dad moment. So I'm thinking I'll hook it here with the sling, take the tension off, bust that gearbox off, and then just basically cut it. Not to final cut, but close. Because I don't, the frame's a little bit wider. So 17 on this puts me right here-ish, which is good. And then right there, I have a little mark. And I went off of the center of that bolt on both sides, just to kind of rough. So my thought is, cut that front end completely off, and then move it out of the way. Take this front end, slide it under the car, set it to where it sits level, and then mark exactly how I want it cut and what I gotta do. I cut it off. No going back now. Next video will be this sucker pushed underneath, see how bad it looks.